my lovers. Hello, ladies and gentlemen in the house. Is your baby girl, Bianca Belletta Girls. Welcome to my channel. I live in Italy. I'm a mom of 3 blessed and lovely kids. One of the babies is here, which her name is Serena Mia. She's 7 months old. She's just here, play with my jewelry so that I can do my video in peace. The only place I can do my video is this very place now, so that no noise downstairs or my studio. I have noise going on. My neighbors, they are just in the garden, cleaning their garden, cutting the occult table. So the noise is too much. I just have to run to one of my closets. So this is my closet, and guys, manage it, the background, everything I have. I need to put things in order, like changing for the weather. The weather has already changed, but I still need time to change everything. Today I changed one of the kids, but permit me. So guys, I'm a YouTuber, live in Italy, married with 3 kids. I'm into lifestyle, family vlogging, makeup, and all that. So don't forget to hit the red button. If today is your first time, don't go without subscribing. As you subscribe, God in heaven will bless you. You can visit down of the channel line, watch more video. You will see I do live stream for gist and all that. So today what I'm about to say is concerning Nelo and Dana, and also Summer Aku. I'm going to put all these videos together. Okay, I'm supposed to do it but I'm gonna bring everything together. Sorry guys, I don't live in an English speaking country. I live in Italy. So anyhow you get my English, please accept it and manage it. Okay, so as I was saying, guys, these days I'll be seeing video concerning Dana and Nelo concerning their masterclass. Hey guys, my fellow content creator, my young content creator, my fellow, like me, I'm a young content creator, young YouTubers. So guys, why the hurriness? Why are you running more than your shadow? Don't run more than your shadow, sister, sissy, mama, papa, brother. Don't run more than your shadow. Cool down. Cool down. Okay, everything is time. In this life we live, everything that needs to take place is time. Either good or bad, the negative and the good one, everything is time. Pay for masterclass. For me, I will not do that. I will not do that. But because of this saga is now going on between the Port Harcourt. Sorry for that interruption. So as I was saying, let me go back to my gist. I need to just attend to baby. So as I was saying, guys, between Nelo and Dana saga of a thing of this masterclass, I think the people that we're supposed to blame supposed to be our own fellow content creator, because they are running more than their shadow. They are running more than their shadow. Many are into even things that they're supposed to be, to bring to their channel, but they will just be doing it just for the sake of they want to grow. But I think it's not nice. It's not good. So as I was trying to say, guys, we should take it easy. My fellow content creator, take it easy. Nobody will make you to blow. I watched a video, I think it's at that space. She said nobody will give you that popularity you are looking at. My baby is just here. She will allow me to do this video in peace. So it's not easy as a content creator, Imagine me trying to create this video, and after everything I have 200 views, and you ask me to come and be paying money the month. Say what it happened. YouTube is just like pregnancy. When you are pregnant, you need 9 months to deliver. So you can bring out the baby of 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, maybe 8 months is okay. You cannot. When is your time to blow? When is the time for a woman to deliver? She will surely deliver. Which is when is your time to blow? You will surely blow. So why all the saga all about Dana, Nelo, Dana? At that space said nobody will take you to that place. Oh my goodness, I said nobody can make you blow. Nobody on this, no matter how you attend the master class, no matter how many master class you attend, no matter how many master class you attend, when is your time to blow, you will surely blow. I watched a video today of Summer Aku concerning the 5 euro challenge. Can 5 euro feed the family? You need to see some comments. Those comments are not nice. Anybody that started the challenge, no, it's not like your business. If you want to jump into the challenge, jump into it. If you want to jump into the challenge, you can jump into the challenge. Anybody can be the first, second, third. It's none of your business. If you want to go for the challenge, go. Like the one of 3 euro, 50 cents or whatever. I did not. I did not. It's not that I can't cook with 3 head. Of course I can cook with 3, but I did not. I did not. There is something in me that is saying, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. I did not. I must not join the trend. I must not join the trend. If I want to do whatever I want to do, I will do it. If I saw your video and I'm inspired by whatever you are doing on that video, I will go for it and do my own also. So why the hurriness? Why the saga everywhere? We should just take it easy with ourselves. Take it easy, slow and steady, win the race. Be consistent in whatever you are doing. Create content when you want to create it. If today I want to create this content, I will just do it. I will just do it. Anybody that wants to do masterclass, you're free to do. For me, I'm not into, okay, masterclass. No. I'm not into that. All the people that have been watching all these years, what are you guys have to give to we the young content creator? We need the help. Even if it's a shout out, at least every of your video guys, even if it's 5 people, it's okay. 5 people, imagine giving them shout out. That is great. That is great. You know, there are many people I do share on my community. You guys can go on my community, even on Facebook. There are many people. No matter how young I am, I'm supposed to be the one that is supposed to be staging because I have a little community. But you guys that have a lot of community, you still want us to come and pay for a masterclass. Say what's happening. Now you want blow us? No, it's just for you to learn tip. No matter how they tip. Some people that watch their video, they said they attend 2 years ago, 3 years ago. They are still struggling with view, just like me that still having 300 views. Now the same view we still they get. Even my view is even better than many of them. Some of them that said it, my view is more better than them. So why the hardiness? Take it easy. Content creator, your content creator, don't go out there be spending your money just for view. Many people now, they are even buying views. Why now? Why? YouTube is pregnancy. When you are pregnant, allow the baby to, get to 9 months, then you deliver successfully. If it's your time to blow, even if it's not up to the 9 months, you will blow. I'm not against buying of subscribers and buying of views. No, I'm not against it. It's your wish. It's your wish. But all this saga here, Neno, Diana, Neno, no. It's not called for, guys. It's not nice. We are all mothers. We are all mothers like me. I'm a mother. At least at the age of 30-something years, I'm supposed to know what I have in my upstairs. Like, I'm supposed to know when I'm supposed to do things, who I'm supposed to help, who I don't supposed to help. But you guys still trying to draw money out there. People, when is your time to blow? You will surely blow. I have a godmother that is a celebrity, a big celebrity for that matter. She's a presenter, but at the same time, I can't just go every day. Mommy share my video. Whenever she share my video, oh my God, I'm down to the heads. I appreciate her so well. But I can't go out there. I can't go just, go to privacy by saying, Mommy share this video. No. If she wants to share that video because she loves it, she share. That's how it's supposed to be for those big YouTubers out there, Port Harcourt YouTubers. I went to Bonny Cinema Girls at Bonny Island. That is where I studied. Okay, so I know the people that live there. They are lovely people. They are kind. They are wonderful people. They are lovely and kind people. When I went to my secondary school, Bonny Island, it's Bonny Island. So guys, I really enjoy my study. The people there, they are amazing people. They are great people. Even when I went to Port Harcourt with my other brother's wife for just some time, I know the people that live around there. I know. So guys, we should take it easy, please. Take it easy. Young fellow content creator, please, easy with yourself. If you want to attend any class, go. It's your choice. Anyone you want to go for them. All this saga is enough. Is enough. Guys, don't run more than your shadow. Don't run more than your shadow. Some people, they are even desperate to be doing things they don't supposed to be, doing on YouTube. Like, bring it then, they will say they are this, they are that. But the next thing, you see them bringing out other characters. You understand? So, like, you bring yourself, trying to create your content, you will surely get there. No need to be like hurrying, trying to kill yourself, try to stress yourself that much. No. Like me, I decide these days, guys, I don't want to stress myself that much just because I want to support. I want my name to be, oh, Bianca. No. If you don't behind me, leave me alone. Leave me. Don't behind me again. Don't call me again like Bianca. Okay? So anytime I want to grow, I will grow. If I am able to support, I will come there and support. There are many channels that I've supported. Where I live, I don't have house internet. It's not that I can't afford it. I do pay 50 euro every month. Whenever I want to support people, I do pay 90 euro. So I decided to remove the 40 euro so that at least 50 euro is enough for me to support. Also have my own things. I hope you guys can get it. So no need of hurry. No need of this hurry or whatever all this saga all about. Guys, take it easy with yourself and everybody. One love keep us together, guys. Take it easy. Create your content when you want to create. Okay? Those people that they also say you reply to comments. I can't, because of replying to comments, I kill myself. The time for me to reply comments, I will use that time to visit other channels that are young YouTuber like me. I will stop by, watch their video, even if it's 2 video. I'll watch it, leave comments for them, allow their adverts to run, then move on. If you have the opportunity, time to reply to comments, don't drag anybody to anything that will make them to be feeling bad, to make them feel what they don't want to be feeling, guys. We are all sensitive. Imagine somebody will tell you, oh, why don't you reply to comment? That is bad. I know. Forgive my manners, but there are many things. I'm a mother of 30 kids. If I have time, I will reply. So let one love keep us together. Anybody wants to attend their masterclass? Okay. But for me, I don't think that is a good idea. Anyone you want to promote them. If you want to go on their, what they call it, masterclass, I am not kicking against it, guys. No, get me. I hope you get this video. I'm not kicking against it. If you want to go for a masterclass, hallelujah, congratulations, go. But if you don't want to go, leave it alone. No need of drama. Guys, anybody that want to do any challenge, be first or second or third, it's none of anybody's business. Let them do whatever they want to do. Any challenge they want to do. Me, I can easily start my challenge of can 2 hero feed family. I can easily start it up, but it's not because of the CME started it. I need to. You can be inspired by anyone. I believe all of us, we are inspired by someone out there. So what is all this drama or bad comments all around? To be a content creator is not an easy task. So guys, if you want to support. If you don't want to support, leave the people alone. Leave their platform. Go and get water and drink and relax yourself. Or drink coffee. Okay? Coffee is for big girls and big boys. Thank you. Peace out. Here's your Bianca Bellezza girls. Bye-bye, everybody.